This is the PowerG Wireless 360-degree Ceiling Mount PIR Detector. It gives home and business owners superior motion detection from every angle. This advanced device is suited for spaces requiring detection coverage of up to 10 meters, or 32.8 feet in diameter. Designed for discreet and hard-to-reach ceiling placement, it is visually attractive, highly robust, and tamper-resistant. Let's see how to attach the detector's mounting bracket to the ceiling. Start by removing the mounting bracket from the detector, applying pressure, and turning it counterclockwise. Choose the correct location on the ceiling to place the detector according to the installation instructions. The detector can be installed with the back tamper or without. If you want back tamper protection, drill one hole here by the tamper knockout and one of the holes here. If you do not want back tamper protection, drill 2 holes here and attach it to the surface. Before enrolling the device to the control panel for the first time, you'll need to remove the pull tab while holding the battery in place or insert the battery if it is not already inserted. Please check the installation instructions to enroll the device to the control panel. Installing the detector on the mounting bracket is simple. Once the mounting bracket is attached to the ceiling, place the detector underneath. Slide the detector along the mounting bracket and turn it clockwise. After you hear a click, secure the detector in place with the safety screw. This is how to replace the battery once the detector is already installed. Start by removing the safety screw. Now hold the detector in the palm of your hand and rotate it counterclockwise to release it from the mounting bracket. Hold the detector in the palm of your hand, remove the battery, and after 1 minute, insert a new 3-volt lithium battery. Make sure the battery is facing the correct direction. Then close the detector by rotating it clockwise on the mounting bracket. After you hear a click, secure the detector in place with the safety screw.